thought of making money on TikTok without posting videos or managing inventory? Imagine earning a commission instantly by leveraging other people's content and TikTok's latest feature. Zero hassle, zero product management. In this video, I'll walk you through how TikTok Shop affiliate program works, how to get started today, and the key tips to maximize your earnings quickly. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have exactly what you need to start making money immediately. TikTok isn't a place for viral dances anymore. It's a gold mine for affiliate marketers. What if I told you that you could generate real income without creating your content, without storing products, or without complicated marketing strategies? That's right. TikTok Shop Affiliate lets you tap into products, promote them seamlessly, and collect commissions in just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true? In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how this works. And trust me, you don't need a huge following to get started. So, if you've ever wanted to jump in on a trend early and start making passive income, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. What is TikTok Shop Affiliate? Let's kick off with the basics. TikTok Shop Affiliate is a program that connects sellers, creators, and affiliates. It's a marketplace within TikTok where brands list products, and you, as an affiliate, promote those products to earn a commission on every sale. You don't need to stock products, ship them, or handle customer service. The seller takes care of it all. Think of it like an Amazon associate, but for TikTok. The best part of this is you don't need to create your own TikTok content to participate. You can select trending products, add your affiliate links to TikToks you share, or even promote them through other platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. Have a chance to go viral. This really levels the playing field for affiliate. Whether you have 100 followers or 100,000 followers, you can still make an impact. TikTok provides built-in shop features like InVideo, makes TikTok Shop Affiliate much more dynamic than traditional affiliate programs, which often rely on blog posts or email campaigns to generate clicks. Getting started is surprisingly easy, and the setup only takes a few minutes. And here's how. Sign up for the TikTok affiliate program, head to TikTok's creator marketplace or the TikTok Shop selection and apply to become an affiliate. Browse the products. Once you've approved, you'll have access product library. Pick one that aligns with your niche or that one's already trending, getting hot. Use TikTok's tools to generate affiliate links. You can add these videos to your posts, promote someone else's viral content using the product link. TikTok Shop provides real-time analytics so you can monitor your earnings and optimize your strategy. Smart strategies to maximize your earnings. Pro tips to help you earn more. Keep an eye on trending hashtags and viral videos. Promoting products that are part of a popular trend increase the chances of people clicking your links. Share your affiliate links on Instagram stories, WhatsApp, or Facebook groups to reach a wider audience. Test and track, experiment with different products and niches, and use TikTok's analytic tool to see what's driving the most sales. The more you test, the more you learn what works. If you post TikToks with product links, always reply to the comments. Engagement boosts your visibility and builds trust with potential buyers. So let's answer some quick questions you might have. Do I need to be an influencer to join? Nope. Anyone can sign up as an affiliate. Is there any cost involved? Nope. Joining affiliate program is free. How fast can I start earning? You can make your first sale on the same day if you promote the right product in a viral video. Now you know how TikTok Shop Affiliate works and the exact steps to get started. What do you TikTok still in its early days as a powerful affiliate platform, so there's plenty of opportunity to grow without heavy competition. Whether you want to earn some side income or build a full-time passive revenue stream, TikTok Shop Affiliate is worth a try. So start today, sign up, pick a product, share a link, and watch those commissions come in. Hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies on earning a passive income online. And if you have any questions about TikTok Shop Affiliate, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you. Until next time, stay creative and keep cashing in. This is Scott. Peace out.